Homeowners across Washington are increasingly looking for ways to improve energy efficiency without sacrificing comfort or style. Windows play a major role in how well a home retains heat in cooler months and limits heat gain during warmer periods. Bow windows, known for their graceful curved design and expanded glass area, offer more than visual appeal. When properly designed and installed, bow windows can deliver meaningful energy efficiency benefits for Washington residences. Reducing heat loss with modern window design. Older bow windows, especially those with single-pane glass or worn seals, can allow heat to escape easily. Modern bow windows are built with advanced materials that significantly reduce heat loss. In Washington homes, energy-efficient bow windows feature insulated glass and well-sealed frames that help keep warm air inside during colder weather, supporting more consistent indoor temperatures. Supporting better insulation year-round. Bow windows consist of multiple window panels, and each panel contributes to overall insulation. Modern designs use improved framing systems that reduce thermal transfer. For Washington residences, this enhanced insulation helps limit the impact of outdoor temperature changes and supports a more comfortable indoor environment throughout the year. Managing solar heat gain effectively. One concern homeowners sometimes have with larger windows is excess heat from sunlight. Energy-efficient bow windows are designed to manage solar heat gain while still allowing natural light to enter. In Washington homes, advanced glass options help balance daylight and temperature control, preventing interiors from overheating while maintaining brightness. Improving indoor comfort with reduced drafts. Drafts are a common source of energy loss and discomfort. Poorly sealed windows allow cold air to enter and warm air to escape. Modern bow windows are designed with tight seals at every joint. For Washington homeowners, this reduces drafts and supports steady indoor temperatures without overworking heating systems. Enhancing natural light without energy waste. Bow windows are known for their ability to bring in natural light from multiple angles. While increased daylight can reduce the need for artificial lighting, energy efficiency ensures that light doesn't come with unwanted heat transfer. In Washington residences, energy-efficient bow windows allow homeowners to enjoy brighter interiors while maintaining efficient energy performance. Supporting efficient heating and cooling systems. When windows perform well, heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. Energy-efficient bow windows reduce the demand on HVAC systems by limiting heat loss and gain. For Washington homeowners, this means maintaining comfortable temperatures without frequent thermostat adjustments. Reducing energy loss at structural connection points. Because bow windows extend outward, proper construction and installation are critical to energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are engineered to minimize energy loss at connection points. In Washington homes, professionally installed bow windows help prevent air leakage and maintain a strong thermal barrier. Long-term energy savings for homeowners. Improved insulation and reduced energy loss contribute to long-term energy savings. While bow windows are often chosen for aesthetics, their energy efficiency benefits can positively impact household energy usage. For Washington residents, energy-efficient bow windows offer both visual appeal and practical savings over time. Professional installation maximizes energy performance. Even the most energy-efficient bow window will underperform if installed incorrectly. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, alignment, and insulation. In Washington residences, expert installation helps homeowners fully realize the energy efficiency benefits of bow windows. A smart energy upgrade. For Washington homes. Bow windows offer a unique combination of beauty and performance. With modern construction, insulated glass, and proper installation, they can significantly enhance a home's energy efficiency. For homeowners in Washington, energy-efficient bow windows provide a smart upgrade that supports comfort, reduces energy loss, and adds lasting value to the home.